Oh, I need my apron on. That's not gonna work. I'll do Steve Urkel pants. No, my pants are gonna be all wet. Whatever. Hot water. I don't want that splashing on me. I gotta wash these containers from some food I got from a family member. They were just here and I totally forgot, and they had to skedaddle real quick. Oh, they brought over food for us and everything, and I just forgot to give back the containers. I'm washing them first. Oh shoot, I just cracked it. Yeah, that's real good. I'm gonna have to explain that. I need to be more gentle apparently. Really good eggplant that was in this, and some lasagna and some other stuff that was good, some salad, the 4-course meal. I was really treated after my boyfriend and I were washed the car. He even brought us over some food. We accidentally didn't budget our paycheck properly. All of us just have to do budget our paychecks very good. So we're in a realization that we need to stop, and we're talking about it right now. I have 5 days till somebody gets paid.